Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to delete a Facebook page, so let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and sign into your account. Tap the menu button, then tap your profile and select the page you want to delete. Once you're on the page, tap the menu button again and open Settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right. Scroll down and tap on Access and Control. Here, you'll find three options. The first is Deactivate Page. This temporarily disables the page. It won't be visible to anyone, but you can reactivate it anytime later. Next is Unpublish Page. This removes your page from public view, but it remains active in the background. You can still make changes and republish it whenever you want. Finally, there is Delete Page. This permanently removes the page and all its content. Tap Delete, then press Continue and enter your Facebook password to confirm. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.